Are you feeling overwhelmed with debt, living paycheck to paycheck, always finding yourself at work and still not having enough time with your family and not having enough time to make ends meet? Well, let's change that today. Hey, if you're new here, my name is Shirley. I'm a busy boy mom and wife, and I show moms like you how to earn money online and be able to break free from the cycle of work and stress. I know firsthand the struggle of trying to balance work, family, and personal time, all while hoping that one day you'll be able to feel joy and freedom, right? Imagine this, being able to spend more quality time with your kids, pursuing your passion, and creating lasting memories without worrying about money. That's where recurring income comes in. It's not about making the money. It's about gaining the freedom to live life on your own terms. With my help, you can start building your own multiple streams of passive income and take control of your future. So if you're ready to make the change so that 2024 can be your best year yet, I want you to put yes in the comments and I will send you more information.